Cooking at high temperatures demands durability, safety, and performance. The best non-stick cookware for high heat ensures even cooking without harmful chemicals, letting you sear, fry, and sauté confidently while keeping food from sticking and cleanup hassle-free. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now let's get started. Number 2. Cooker King Non-Stick Cookware for High Heat. The Cooker King Non-Stick Cookware for high heat is an excellent choice for health-conscious cooks who want a safe, durable, and eco-friendly option in their kitchens. Unlike traditional non-stick pans that rely on synthetic coatings, this set is made from 3-ply food-grade stainless steel, ensuring fast and even heat distribution without toxic materials. Free from PFOA, PTFE, PFAS, lead, cadmium, and other harmful chemicals, it offers complete peace of mind for families prioritizing safe cooking. The natural ceramic etching coating provides effective non-stick performance, preventing food from sticking and making cleanup effortless. Another highlight of this cookware is its compatibility across various cooking methods. The pans are suitable for induction, gas, electric, and ceramic cooktops and are oven-safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, 260 degrees Celsius. The stainless steel handles remain cool to the touch and are riveted securely, ensuring stability and comfort while cooking. This makes them an excellent option for preparing a wide range of dishes, from eggs to steaks and fish. The set includes 3 practical sizes, 8-inch, 10-inch, and 12-inch frying pans, so you have the right tool for every cooking task. Cleaning these pans is simple, requiring only a rinse with water, and since the non-stick surface is tough enough to handle metal utensils, you won't have to worry about scratches ruining your cookware. The tri-ply design offers the best results when used on low to medium heat, helping preserve both the coating and your recipes. Number 3. SENSARTE Non-Stick Cookware for High Heat. The SENSARTE Non-Stick Cookware for High Heat is a complete, space-saving solution designed for versatility and convenience. This 17-piece set includes everything you need to cook a wide variety of meals, from a 1.5 QD and 2.8 QD saucepan to multiple fry pans, a sauté pan, a grill pan, glass lids, pot protectors, and even fridge storage lids. One standout feature is the unique removable handle system, tested to support up to 22 pounds, giving you flexibility and stability when switching from stove to oven or storing your cookware. This detachable design also allows for stackable storage, saving up to 70% more space, which is especially useful for compact kitchens or RV living. The cookware features a durable granite non-stick coating that is free from PFOA, lead, and cadmium, making it safe and healthy for everyday cooking. The coating allows you to cook with minimal oil, promoting healthier eating habits while still preventing food from sticking. Cleanup is equally convenient, as the cookware is dishwasher safe, and its wear-resistant design prevents black residue buildup even after repeated washing. Performance is another strength of the SENSARTE cookware set. Its thick and flat bottom ensures fast and even heat distribution, while the high magnetic conductive base makes it compatible with all cooktops, including induction. The lightweight yet sturdy build makes it easy to handle, and the vertical walls of the pans provide extra capacity, making them suitable for larger meals. Number 4. Mueller Non-Stick Cookware for High Heat. The Mueller Non-Stick Cookware for high heat delivers a balance of performance, durability, and health-conscious design. Built with precision, this fry pan is crafted with a durable aluminum body and a reinforced 3-layer non-stick coating developed in Germany using stone-derived shield technology. This advanced coating provides superior non-stick properties, allowing food to release effortlessly while ensuring even browning and easy cleanup. The aluminum base distributes heat quickly and evenly, making it perfect for high-efficiency cooking that saves both time and energy. One of the standout features of this cookware is the ever-cool stainless steel handle, which remains cool to touch even during high-heat cooking. This not only adds comfort and safety, but also enhances ease of use, particularly when maneuvering heavier meals. The versatile deep pan shape makes it suitable for everything from simple breakfasts to gourmet dinners, while its oven-safe design adds further flexibility. Compatibility with all stovetops, including induction, ensures it adapts to any kitchen setup. Health and safety are also central to Mueller's design philosophy. The non-stick coating is free from harmful chemicals such as PFOA, APEO, PFOS, and other toxins, giving you confidence that your meals are both safe and delicious. Its lightweight yet sturdy construction ensures durability, while the corrosion-resistant design extends its lifespan even with regular use. Number 5. T-fal non-stick cookware for high heat. The T-fal non-stick cookware for high heat is a trusted favorite among home cooks, combining user-friendly features with consistent cooking performance. Its standout feature is the innovative heat mastery system, which pairs a high-quality non-stick coating with an even heat base and T-fal's signature thermospot technology. The thermospot indicator is especially useful, as it clearly shows when the pan has reached the optimal preheating temperature, ensuring perfect searing and cooking results every time. This makes it an excellent choice for beginners and experienced cooks alike who want more precision in their kitchen. The ProGlide non-stick interior is another highlight, providing superior food release that makes cooking and cleanup hassle-free. Whether you're preparing delicate foods like eggs or sautéing vegetables, the surface prevents sticking and requires little to no oil. Cleaning is simple as the pans are dishwasher safe, though hand washing will help extend their lifespan. The even heat base further enhances cooking results by ensuring consistent heat distribution, eliminating cold spots, and preventing uneven cooking. Durability and convenience are core strengths of the T-fal cookware line. The pans are lightweight yet sturdy, designed for everyday use. Their ergonomic handles provide comfort and control, making them easy to maneuver even when full. Oven safety adds versatility, and the cookware is suitable for a wide variety of recipes from frying to sautéing. Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.